In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a comment in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever reviewed a PDF and ended up with comments you no longer need, removing them is quick and clean. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can tidy up your document without affecting the actual PDF content. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you're using the Acrobat application rather than a web preview, because the comment tools and menus we need are built into the desktop interface. Once the file is open, give it a second to load all annotations so everything is visible. Next, click the comment in the PDF that you want to remove. Comments can look like sticky note icons, highlighted text with a note, or a call-out box. When you click the comment on the page, it will become selected, and you'll usually see it also highlighted in the comments list on the right side. Selecting it ensures you're targeting the exact annotation you want to delete. With the comment selected, look for the three dots icon associated with that comment. This is the More Options menu. You'll typically find these three dots either on the small toolbar attached to the comment bubble or in the Comments panel next to that specific annotation. If you don't immediately see the three dots, hover your mouse over the comment area or the entry in the comments list. They often appear when you hover. Now, click the three dots to open the Options menu. In this menu, you'll see actions related to that comment. Choose Delete. If Acrobat asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. The comment will disappear from the page and from the comments list, leaving your document cleaner and easier to read. If you deleted the wrong one by mistake, you can usually undo right away using your standard undo command. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Acrobat, click the comment to select it, click the three dots, and delete. This removes only the annotation, not the underlying text or images. If the comment doesn't respond or the delete option is unavailable, it can mean the file has restrictions or the comment is locked by document permissions. In most normal cases, though, the steps you just learned will work instantly. Repeat the same process for any other comments you want to remove. Once you've cleared out the extras, your PDF will be much easier to share, print, or archive without distractions. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to delete a comment in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat.